Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. I a letter yesterday. Option B is the correct answer. Question 2. They not here. Option B is the correct answer. Question 3. She in the kitchen. Option B is the correct answer. Question 4. We lunch now. Option C is the correct answer. Question 5. You my best friend. Option B is the correct answer. Question 6. He me yesterday. Option B is the correct answer. Question 7. I a glass of milk. Option B is the correct answer. Question 8. He never late. Option A is the correct answer. Question 9. We a party last night. Option B is the correct answer. Question 10. She to the music. Option B is the correct answer. Question 11. I to go now. Option A is the correct answer. Question 12. The children playing outside. Option B is the correct answer. Question 13. My brother tall. Option B is the correct answer. Question 14. We studying English? Option A is the correct answer. Question 15. She always on time. Option B is the correct answer.